Hello and welcome to this new video. Today I'm looking at how WordFast Plus tools can help me translate anything, anywhere, as long as I can have editable text in front of me on my computer. And in this case here, I'm just trying to edit something in a PowerPoint. So to do that properly, what you need to do is to open Plus Tools. So let's do that. Okay, and just have it set up so that you are translating in the language pair that you want. Okay, so you need to have everything set up. You need to have your machine translation connected, and you need to have a language pair active in a document that you've placed before. So now let's just press F9. Okay, and now this opens this window which is called clipboard translation. Now let's go back to PowerPoint. So now that I've done that, I can select my text. Okay. And now I can just do the standard shortcut on Windows to copy, which is Ctrl+C. So now if I come back to Plus Tools, I just click on Translate. And now I get my text translated here. I can select that text, okay? And now that my text is selected, I can just paste it to replace it. Now, I had to do back and forth to do that. So let's do this faster. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to Plus Tools and I'm going to close this. Start again with F9. And now I'm going to select the automatic mode, okay? So let's try that again. I'll select a different slide this time, so we have a different text. So let's do this one about glossary. So now let's watch closely how I'm doing things. I'm just selecting the text and I will copy it again with the shortcut, so Ctrl+C. And now let's wait for a sound. Okay. I had my system sound come up, and now I can just paste my translated text with Ctrl+V. And that's it. Okay, so now I have had my text automatically translated by my machine translation in Plus Tools, and I was able to paste this text. Okay, so that is very easy. And if you want to use ChatGPT to do that for free, well, you can just watch my previous video to see how it's done. So I hope that's useful and that you will like this little fun feature. Talk to you in the next one. Bye-bye.